Dreaming up a great concept? Have that spark of an idea and wonder if it could actually become something real in the digital space? This video is crafted for you. We're talking about how to turn your idea into an online business, not with overwhelming complexity, but with a clear, simple framework that anyone can follow. If you're stuck asking how to turn idea into online business and need a practical approach to move forward, you're in the right spot. Let's look at a straightforward online business framework designed to transform your initial concept into a concrete plan. Many people have fantastic ideas, but the gap between that spark and a functioning online venture feels immense. That's where a simple framework online business approach becomes invaluable. It helps you structure your thinking and break down the process into manageable actions. We're not talking about a rigid, complex business plan, but a flexible structure to guide you from an abstract thought to a tangible online entity. This framework is perfect for anyone considering starting an online business idea. Here is a simple framework to help you turn idea into online business. Phase 1. Idea refinement and clarity. Your idea is the starting point, but what problem does it really solve? Who is the specific person or group that truly needs this solution? Get crystal clear on the core value you offer and for whom. This goes beyond just a general concept. It's about understanding the specific pain point or desire you address. Refining this initial thought is the crucial first step to turn your idea into an online business. Phase 2. Idea validation. Talk to humans. This is perhaps the most skipped step, yet it's vital. Does anyone actually need what you're offering? Talk to people who fit your who. Ask them about their problems related to your idea. Would they use your potential solution? Would they pay for it? Validating your online business idea with real feedback before you build anything saves immense time and effort. This is key for anyone serious about build online business from idea. Phase 3. Outline your minimal viable offering. What is the simplest, most basic version of your idea that you can actually deliver online? Focus on the core solution to the core problem for your core audience. Don't build the whole platform or offer every possible service. Define one specific product or service that provides that essential value. This minimal offering is what you'll use to get your first customers. It's about creating an initial version of your online business plan simple enough to execute. Phase 4. Map your first action steps. With your refined, validated, and simplified offering in hand, what are the concrete, minimal actions required to get your offering to your first potential customer? This isn't about creating a 5-year growth strategy. It's about mapping out the next 3-5 tiny steps. Setting up a simple way to describe your offering online, a social media post, a landing page, figuring out how someone can pay you, and reaching out to those first potential customers you talk to in Phase 2. This constitutes your initial online business strategy, simple and actionable. This simple online business framework provides a clear path to turn your idea into an online business. It takes you from a spark to validation, defining your initial offering, and outlining immediate actions. Following these phases helps you move beyond just having an idea and start the process of bringing it to life online. It's a practical approach for online business for beginners idea-focused, enabling you to build online business from idea effectively. So, if you have an idea bouncing around and want to see if it has potential as an online business, try applying this simple framework. It provides the structure needed to move forward without getting lost. If this framework helps you clarify your online business idea, please give the video a like. Ready to start building your online business from idea using this approach? Subscribe for more guides on bringing your digital business concepts to life. What is the biggest challenge you face trying to turn your idea into an online business? Share it below.